Swollen battery. Imagine you are finally working as a special agent or an IT specialist for Homeland Security investigations, and a field agent hands you their government-issued laptop. They tell you the trackpad has completely stopped clicking, the keyboard looks bent, and the laptop is wobbling flat on the desk. When you look closely, the entire plastic case of the laptop looks like it is pregnant and ready to burst open. This is a swollen battery, and when you are taking your CompTIA A+2 2012-01 exam, you must treat this as an absolute, immediate physical emergency. To secure your perfect score of 900, you have to understand exactly what is happening chemically inside that computer and the strict safety procedures you must follow to prevent a fire. Let us talk about why a battery swells up in the first place. Modern laptops and mobile devices use lithium-ion batteries. These batteries are incredible because they hold a massive amount of electricity in a very thin, flat pouch. Inside this sealed pouch, there are liquid chemicals called electrolytes. Over time, as the battery goes through hundreds of charging cycles, or if the laptop is constantly left in a hot car during the summer, these chemicals begin to break down and degrade. When the electrolyte breaks down, it creates a toxic, highly flammable gas. Because the battery pouch is tightly sealed to keep moisture out, that trapped gas has absolutely nowhere to escape. As the gas builds up, the pouch inflates like a balloon. Because laptops are built to be extremely thin, there is zero empty space inside the case. When that battery inflates, it pushes upward with incredible physical force. It will crush the delicate ribbon cables, push the trackpad right out of its frame, bend the motherboard, and press hard against the back of the display screen, causing those white pressure spots we talked about earlier. For your certification exam, the most important thing you must know is how to handle this safely. A swollen lithium-ion battery is a severe fire and explosion hazard. If the thin outer pouch is punctured by a sharp edge inside the laptop, or if you accidentally poke it with a screwdriver, the oxygen in the air will mix with the lithium and instantly ignite into a massive chemical fire that is extremely difficult to put out. Your professional troubleshooting response must be extremely careful. Step 1 is to immediately unplug the laptop from the wall charger and completely power down the device. You must never, ever press down on the laptop case or try to squeeze it shut to make it fit into a bag. Applying pressure to a swollen battery is a guaranteed way to make it explode. Step 2 is to isolate the device. You should move the laptop to a fire-safe surface, away from paper and carpet. When you are ready to repair the device, you must wear safety glasses. You will carefully unscrew the bottom cover of the laptop. You must be incredibly gentle as you lift the cover off so you do not accidentally pinch or puncture the swollen battery pouch. Once the cover is off, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard and lift the battery out of the chassis. You cannot fix a swollen battery, and you cannot just throw it in the regular office trash can. You must place the dangerous battery into a fireproof container, a bucket of sand, or a specialized battery transport bag. It must then be taken directly to a dedicated electronic or hazardous waste recycling facility. Once the physical pressure of the swollen battery is removed from the laptop, you simply install a brand new, flat replacement battery, put the cover back on, and the trackpad and keyboard will usually pop right back into their normal working positions. By understanding the chemical breakdown that causes the swelling and prioritizing strict physical safety, you will easily master this critical hardware objective on your test.